Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the Grok is under heavy usage right now error. Let's get started. First, open Grok AI. Here, you may see messages like Grok is under heavy usage right now, please try again soon, or a prompt suggesting you upgrade your plan. If you're seeing this message, don't worry. You haven't done anything wrong. It simply means the Grok servers are experiencing a spike in demand. When lots of people try to use the service at once, requests get queued to keep everything stable. This message is the system's way of letting you know that traffic is high and new requests may be delayed. The most reliable fix is also the simplest. Give it a little time. Because these surges are temporary, waiting allows the servers to catch up and refresh on their own. Instead of repeatedly refreshing or resubmitting the same request, just pause for a bit. Constantly pinging the system can actually slow things down further and won't get you in faster. A short break is often all it takes for the queue to clear and normal performance to return. Now, if you're working on something time-sensitive or you frequently run into this message, upgrading your account can help. During heavy usage, paid users are usually prioritized, which means your requests are more likely to go through quickly when demand is high. It's not a magic switch that completely eliminates all delays in every situation, but it often shortens wait times and provides a more consistent experience when servers are busy. To upgrade, click on your signed-in account icon. Then, click on Upgrade Plan. On the next page, you'll see different upgrade plans, including monthly and yearly options. Select the plan that works best for you and complete the payment process. After upgrading, you'll generally get priority access during periods of heavy demand. And that's it. If you like the video, like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more helpful tutorials.